Welcome to a new episode of Magic Frame.
This universe of ours is so beautiful. Many species live here. Knowledge about different types of birds is brought to you today through Magic Frame. Flamingos. Flamingos or flamingos are a type of wading bird in the family Phoenicopteridae, which is the only extant family in the order Phoenicopteriformes. There are 4 flamingo species distributed throughout the Americas, and 2 species native to Afro-Eurasia. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. When a flamingo spots potential dinner favorite foods include shrimp, snails, and plant-like water organisms called algae, it plunges its head into the water, twists it upside down, and scoops the fish using its upper beak like a shovel. They are able to run on water, thanks to their webbed feet, to gain speed before lifting up into the sky. Flamingos build nests that look like mounds of mud along waterways. At the top of the mound, in a shallow hole, the female lays 1 egg. The parents take turns sitting on the egg to keep it warm. After about 30 days, the egg hatches.
Greylag goose. The greylag goose or greylag goose is a species of large goose in the waterfowl family Anatidae and the type species of the genus Anser. It has mottled and barred gray and white plumage and an orange beak and pink legs. White stork. The white stork is a large bird in the stork family, Ciconiidae. Its plumage is mainly white, with black on the bird's wings. Adults have long red legs and long pointed red beaks, and measure on average 100 to 115 centimeters from beak tip to end of tail, with a 155 to 215 centimeters wingspan. Black swan. The black swan is a large water bird, a species of swan which breeds mainly in the southeast and southwest regions of Australia. Within Australia, the black swan is nomadic, with erratic migration patterns dependent on climatic conditions. It is a large bird with black plumage and a red bill. Mute swan. The mute swan is a species of swan and a member of the waterfowl family Anatidae. It is native to much of Euro-Siberia and the far north of Africa. It is an introduced species in North America, home to the largest populations outside of its native range, with additional smaller introductions in Australasia and southern Africa. The name mute derives from it being less vocal than other swan species. 125 to 160 centimeters in length, this large swan is wholly white in plumage with an orange beak bordered with black. It is recognizable by its pronounced knob atop the beak, which is larger in males. Pink-backed pelican. The pink-backed pelican, Pelecanus rufescens, is a bird of the pelican family. It is a resident breeder in the swamps and shallow lakes of Africa and southern Arabia. It has also apparently extirpated in Madagascar. White stork. The white stork is a large bird in the stork family, Ciconiidae. Its plumage is mainly white, with black on the bird's wings. Adults have long red legs and long pointed red beaks, and measure on average 100 to 115 centimeters from beak tip to end of tail, with a 155 to 215 centimeters wingspan. Canada goose. The Canada goose, sometimes called Canadian goose, is a large wild goose with a black head and neck, white cheeks, white under its chin, and a brown body. It is native to the Arctic and temperate regions of North America, and it is occasionally found during migration across the Atlantic in northern Europe. Mallard. The mallard or wild duck is a dabbling duck that breeds throughout the temperate and subtropical Americas, Eurasia, and North Africa. It has been introduced to New Zealand, Australia, Peru, Brazil, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, the Falkland Islands, and South Africa. Little egret. The little egret is a species of small heron in the family Ardeidae. It is a white bird with a slender black beak, long black legs and, in the western race, yellow feet. As an aquatic bird, it feeds in shallow water and on land, consuming a variety of small creatures. If you liked today's episode of Magic Frame, don't forget to subscribe.